Grabe, this year is not just about success or achievement. It's about transformation. Maraming mga nangyari, maraming mga challenges, and maraming mga moment na gusto mo nang sumuko. Pero if there's a 3 biggest lesson na tumatak sa akin this year, ito po yun. Number 1 is pain is temporary. Sa fitness, dun tayo sa fitness, I realized na walang growth without discomfort. Yung hirap ng workout, yung pagod, yung discipline, yung days na ayaw mo na pero pinipilit mo pa rin kasi gusto mo ng growth. And honestly, napakahirap po nun. In business, ganun din. Hindi ka lang natuto pero nag-grow din yung mindset mo. Because every time you choose discipline over comfort, you become a stronger physically, mentally, and emotionally. And na-realize ko na temporary pain creates permanent progress. Kaya kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, financially, emotionally, or physically, huwag kang susuko. Don't ever give up. Baka yung pain na nararamdaman mo ngayon, yan yung mismong process para mas maging stronger ka. Tandaan mo ito, hindi ka binibreak ng struggle mo. Binibuild ka nito. Tinutulungan ka nitong mag-grow. Sabi nga, growth happens outside your comfort zone. And real talk, maraming tao gusto ng better life, pero ayaw nila umalis dun sa comfort zone na kung nasaan sila ngayon. Gusto ng success, pero takot ma-reject. Gusto ng breakthrough, pero takot naman mag-fail. Tama? And this year, mas lalong pinakita sa akin ni Lord. Sabi sa Isaiah 41 verse 10 says, "Fear not, for I am with you." Meaning, may mga takot talaga. Normal yon at hindi natin yon maiiwasan. Pero wag mong hayaan na yung takot ang magkontrol sa buhay mo. Kasi every level ng growth may kasamang discomfort. New business, new opportunity, leadership, and faith. Lahat yan may kasamang risk. But your next level requires your next version. So stop choosing comfort kung matagal mo nang pinagdadasal yung growth na gusto mo. Because blessings often happens after being obedient sa gusto na ipagawa ni Lord sa buhay natin. And third, being a loving husband is one of the highest form of success. Sa totoo lang, pwede kang kumita ng malaki, pwede kang maging successful, at pwede kang maging respectful outside. Pero if you fail at home, may kulang pa rin. This year reminded me, being a husband is not just about providing or being a good provider sa kanila. It's about leading with love. Basahin natin ang sabi sa Ephesians 5:25. Husband, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. Grabe to. Because real love needs sacrifice. Hindi lang puro work, hindi lang puro ambition. It's a presence, patience, and protection. And para sa mga husband or sa mga lalaki, real strength is not about just building income, building muscle. It's about building your family. Your wife needs your love. Your family needs your leadership. Your home needs your presence. Because true success is not just what you build online, but what you protect offline. So today, as I celebrate another year, mas malinaw sa akin na life is bigger than money. It's about becoming better. Better health, better faith, better leadership, and better relationship. To everyone watching this video, use your pain. Embrace growth and lead with love. Dahil yung mga tao, tinitingnan ka nila. Tinitingnan ka ng family mo. Tinitingnan ka rin ng mga anak mo and your community or the circle of influence. And the goal is not just to be successful, but to be someone na worth following. I just want to say thank you again for supporting me sa mga content na ginagawa ko, and hindi ko to magagawa kung hindi rin sa tulong ng community natin. Before we end this video, meron akong good news sa'yo because for this year, i-open ko yung aking VIP mentorship program, and this is very limited lang for the 4 people this year na i-help natin to grow, build, and scale their business. So kung interested kang maka-join dun sa aking VIP mentorship, meron akong ilalagay na link sa ibaba ng video na to. I-click mo yon para malaman mo kung magka-qualify ka. Pag-usapan natin ng mabilis, ano ba yung ituturo ko doon, ano ba yung i-share ko doon sa ating VIP mentorship program. Number 1 is magkakaroon tayo ng weekly accountability call for the next 30 days. So meaning to say, magkakaroon ka ng 4 session with me para i-help kita na i-solve natin yung bottleneck sa business mo. Check natin kung paano natin yan maibibuild, paano natin yan maigo-grow yung business na meron ka. Also, bibigyan din kita ng lifetime access sa mga training program, yung mga past events ko na ginawa, magkakaroon ka doon ng lifetime access. And also, ito yung pinaka-good news, no? Magkakaroon ka ng free 1 year subscription dun sa Negosyo Toolkit na platform na ginagamit ko. Yung Negosyo Toolkit helps me build and grow our businesses, and yung mga gumagamit nito ng mga naging students natin, yung mga other businesses din na continuously ginagamit itong Negosyo Toolkit para i-build and grow and scale yung business nila online. Kung interested ka na makuha yung free 1 year access sa Negosyo Toolkit, no, ang gawin mo lang, check mo yung link sa ibaba ng video na to para mag-qualify ka. And one more bonuses na ibibigay ko sa'yo, magkakaroon ka ng chance to meet me in person, okay? Dito sa Cavite, sa office, no? Para makapag-session tayo, mastermind, and coaching, no? Para dyan sa business mo. This is free and kasama yon sa BIP Mentorship Program. Take note, this is only for the first 4 people na tutulungan natin this year. This is only for the serious people and sa mga business owners na gustong mag-scale and mag-grow ng business nila. And one more thing, kanina sabi ko birthday ko today, no? And hindi ko nasabi kung ilang taon na ako. So for the first 10 people na makakahula kung ilang taon na si Coach Jay is magkakaroon ng free lifetime access dun sa aking course and community. So ang gawin mo, mag-comment ka lang sa baba ng ganito. Happy 21, kung ilang taon na si Coach Jay, no? Happy 25 birthday, Coach Jay. That's it. Ilagay mo lang dun sa comment section mo kung ilang taon na ako. So, hindi ko mo nasasabihin kung ilang taon na ako para merong thrill. Okay? So, gift ko to sa birthday ko. Sabi nga, no, everyday binigyan tayo ni God ng brand new life. And yung brand new life na yon is pwede nating gamitin to make it better. Learn new skills and be a blessings to others. Thank you so much. God bless you and see you sa mga next video ko.